Sorry. Die. Sino subscribe dito? Hindi naman tayo magpapauto-uto. Joke lang. Ilan kayo dyan nanonood? Comment kayo. Bilangin niyo. Ay, nahulog tayo. Di. Huy, saan yung pupunta? Laya Darget. Diabetes. Joke lang. Die na tayo. Agad. Mahirap daw to eh. Ngayon ko lang naman na may parkour dun sa likod. Badi ko nang alam. Ito. May pwede pumasok kahit hindi naka-like at join. Wow, joke lang. Naka-like at na ako. Join the group. Huwag niyong utuin. Ay! Huwag kayong magko-comment ng mga I love you. Joke lang. Pwede kayong mag-comment. Huwag lang kayong mag-uuto na mag-comment daw ako sa comments. Bakit ako slinap mo? Di naman ako nang uuto. Yan, mga kilala ko yan. YouTubers yan dito sa ko. Pag nakita nyo itong video, like nyo naman ako. Hindi naman ako nagpapa-force. Joke lang. Uy, binaril ako nun. Tika ka na. Sasabi siya na ay. Alip. Mantikan ka na ako maslap. Hirap na itong aobi na to. Slap tower pa naman. Kung nakapollow kayo sa akin, pwede ko yung ma-add. Ito, sabihin ko sa comments. Picturean na lang. Yan. Picturean nyo na lang. Pag di kayo marunong mag-picture, yan, check nyo dito. Yan, diba ito? Screen recording. Screenshot. Yan, pag wala kayo nan, di wow. Hindi ko naman talaga kung meron kayo na. Ay, fix. Naman to? Kakakit ko lang. Yes. Nag-glitch. Ooh, that what is life? How you fell in love, but I'll tell you now, ain't going really lie, but I know you still love me, but I didn't know that you have someone else in your heart, so I just thought that we weren't the same. That I want is you. Ain't really gonna lie, but I did know that you were high. But I said thank you and you didn't say anything, so I just said something nice, and you speak even more. Then you just told me I wasn't enough. Then I was scared that I would make you fall in love with someone else. I just stopped speaking to you. But I didn't know I didn't want now. Ang bobo na to.